Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Cash App account without using your email address or your phone number. So let's get started right away. Now, if you cannot access your Cash App account, or if you wish to access your old Cash App account that you have, then first of all, open up the Cash App application and then log in to your current account. After logging in, from the home page, tap on the account icon at the top right corner, and then you will be taken into your account page. Now from this page, scroll down and then tap on support, and now you will find access old account. When you scroll down, go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be given the instructions that you can follow in order to access your old account. Just follow these 4 steps by signing out from your current account and then enter the cash tag that is associated with your account if you don't know the phone number or email address. If you are still unable to access your account, then you can tap on contact support at the bottom section, and you will be allowed to chat with the support team, and within this chat you can explain that you wish to access your account, which you cannot do right now, and they will be happy to assist you with your problem. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to log back in to your old or deactivated Cash App account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.